Hello guys, as a matter of fact we are on it again. I'm about showing you something very interesting. As a matter of fact, it's very good for us to enrich our lotion or face cream with the right additives. Here I introduce to you Gluta White. Now, this Gluta White is something that everybody want to get, but only they don't have the trust on it if it's working or not. A customer called me and she was asking, is this thing really working? And how do I use it? Which I told her, if only it's not the original, it's not going to work. But if it's the original, of course, it will work. You understand? The reason why it will not work if it's not the original, but if it's the original, it will work. It will work as the beautiful young lady that you are seeing there, because this is not just some roadside injection you think of. Maybe somebody tell you go use this. No, this is a factory fitted, and one thing about all Gluta products, they are very effective. It's just a matter of you just getting the right one and put it into the right lotion, or the right face cream. Are you getting it? Put the right dosage inside the right face cream. Now I would want to take a risk of opening this and show you how it looks like. You see? So this is how it looks like. Are you getting it? This Gluta White is something that it's very easy, and it's just for you to bring one out and inject inside your face cream. Why am I doing this video as easy as ABC that you can understand? Is some people judge me, they come here and say a lot of words, use wrong words on me, that they don't understand my English, till the extent that YouTube have to warn them by deleting their comment from me. I don't need to judge, so I'm only taking my time. But if I don't please you with my English, I'm only shooting this video for everybody and to cut across the globe, not for you alone, please. So don't judge me. You should be glad that I'm coming here to do a video for you, not you criticizing me. What have you done? Nothing. Anyway, we'll bless God. So back to our video. Are you getting it? With one of these, I don't know the content of your face cream, but just with one of these, yes, it will make your face, it will moisturize your face and also tone your face. For those of us that we haven't really check it out, we can give it a try. Give it a try about it. I believe when you give a try about it and with the original one, if it doesn't work, then you can answer, okay, this one, it doesn't work, it's just a fluke. But I tell you, it's not a fluke. Just give a try about it. The reason why we keep coming up with these ideas is that we do experiment. Now, somebody talked about it and I said, okay, I feel the same way that maybe it can work or it's not work. But before that, let me give a try. And I use it to Promix. And I got the result. So I said, the only way, if this Gluta white, the only way if it doesn't work, meaning it's fake. But other than that, it's original. So, give a try to it. If you have any question, you can leave the question at the comment box below. I will get the question and answer. It's very good for face cream. Some persons tell me they use it for their body lotion. I wouldn't doubt that, because if it's good for the face, I think also it's good for the body. A lot of people who promise they've shot me on WhatsApp, but I only use this for face cream. I've not used it for body, you understand? Alright? So give a try to it. Don't mind my video if it's darking or I don't know what's wrong with the camera buff. Give a try to Gluta white. It's just, it's a magic, like as the name stated, magic face cream. Magic face cream. So just give a try to it. No side effects. No side effect. You should give it a try. It's very, 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 it's very, very effective. That's the right word. Very, very effective. Because I know a couple of people, they've been using it before I did it myself. So give a try to it before you start criticizing people. Gluta white is one of the effective injection I know so far. Very, very effective. I won't doubt it, because I've used it before. So don't let anybody tell you, oh, it doesn't work. Just use it. It's only when you use it you cannot know, okay, if it's work or not. So give a try. Thank you.